Hello everyone, welcome to unboxing of Kindle Paperwhite 11th generation signature edition. As you can see, they have not provided the secure packaging with any bubble wrap. Not sure if the device is alright inside. So let's cut into the packaging and see. So the device itself has been crushed, but no worries. We'll see it's Paperwhite e-reader 17999. Okay, this has Type-C USB port and it supports wireless charging as well. Let's rip the packaging open. Yes, here it is. Nothing inside. Okay, the device itself, let's keep it to this side. And yeah, in this compartment we get type A to type C USB cable. We get the basic set of instructions. What else do we get? And some warranty guarantee paperwork which will not go through. Let's keep this aside. And here's the device itself. Okay, nice. As you can see, the screen is flush. It does not have the difference like previous older generation Kindles. It has Type-C USB port and this power button has been put here. Let's turn it on. Let's boot it up. In the meantime, I'll get the case which I purchased for this device. Let's try to fit the case onto this one and see. Yeah. So this is the case which I unboxed in another video. So let us try to fit this here. So this magnetic cover works. The device sits perfectly flush. It's perfect for this. Sits flush. Power button is accessible from here, and this is the not sure, this is the mic or something. Yeah. And as a preliminary measure, everybody should check for any dead pixels on the screen. So far, none. Alright, let me set up my account on this one. Hope reading would be nice and pleasurable on this one as well. Thank you for watching.